So I've got two brand new smartwatches on my wrist here, the Huawei Watch 3 and the Huawei Watch 3 Pro. Both of these focus on elegant design, eSIM support and long battery life. Let's find out more here on EMKWAN Reviews. So here they are up close, the new Huawei Watch 3 and Watch 3 Pro. Both follow in similar design language as each other, but with some differences. So both of these models feature a large case design with round edged style, and the display on both of these features a 1.43-inch AMOLED, which is both bright, vibrant, and of course allows touch interaction. So the Huawei Watch 3 has a 316L stainless steel body, and on this model it's got a PVD coating process to give it that black color, but it also makes it more durable to scratches and sweat corrosion. Now the Huawei Watch 3 Pro is made out of titanium alloy and has this fixed bezel on the display to give it a more sportier look and feel. Both of these models also have 3D rotating crown, which you can see adds the Huawei watch emblem. The crown's got a nice tactile feedback, and the button underneath that can be set up as a quick launch. I've got mine set to default for workouts. And the Huawei Watch 3 and 3 Pro both have this large styling and design, with the Pro being larger and thicker. I mean, I personally like the feel of the Huawei Watch 3 on my 6.5-inch wrist. It's got more of a tapered lug. Also, it fits more comfortably for me personally, but both of these come with quick chain straps that allow you to customize the style of the watch as you go along. Now, the larger size of both these models means that Huawei have actually added more into the functionality. Both of these models now support eSIM for calls and data directly on the watch, as well as long-lasting battery life too. Now, the battery life is actually impressive on paper. According to Huawei, the Watch 3 Pro can get 5-day long battery life with smart mode and 21 days in ultra long battery life mode, whereas the Huawei Watch 3 you can get a little less with 3 days in smart mode and 14 days in ultra long battery life mode. Now on the back is a whole range of sensors packed into this high-tech ceramic material. Sensors features an interesting skin temperature detection, as well as all-day heart rate, SpO2, stress and sleep monitoring. This is one of the first times we've seen all-day monitoring on a smartwatch like this. Those sensors work together to monitor workouts, daily activity including steps, calories, standing time, medium and high intensity workout time, etc. And it's actually impressive because the overall picture you get of your health data is pretty detailed. And as with previous models, the Huawei Watch 3 and 3 Pro support up to 100 plus workout modes, and now has automatic workout detection for 6 of them. There's even dual GPS incorporated too. Now, as far as the software is concerned, both watches are running on the newer Harmony OS, which brings updates to functionality. Setup and management is mostly done via the Huawei Health app, which is available on both Android and iOS, but there will be certain features that won't work on non-Huawei devices, so something to be aware of. Now, you've also got a range of different customizations, including a number of interactive watch faces, complete with complications for various data. These add a level of interaction to the watch mode. My particular favorite is the gritty watch face, but you can also download others. So using the Huawei Watch 3 series is pretty easy in terms of navigation. Swiping up will bring up the notifications, and swiping down from the top will then give you access to further settings, including a quite handy Find My Phone feature as well. Now, swiping right from the watch face gives you different stats, including overall progress for the day, heart rate, SpO2, skin temperature. Now, Harmony OS also brings with it a new Huawei app gallery. So one of the big focus from Huawei on software side has been around the super device capabilities, what Huawei referred to as intelligent experience across all types of scenarios. In practical terms, you can connect directly to some smart apps directly from the smartwatch. Apps like Genie in Saudi Arabia and Jordan, Emirates, DTC and Talabat here in the UAE. Talabat, as an example, will give you progress and updates on your order via the smartwatch. Another smart app is Petal Maps, with turn-by-turn guidance on your wrist, taking advantage of connectivity and that larger display. All in all, the new Huawei Watch 3 and Huawei Watch 3 Pro are going to appeal to anyone looking for a larger size smartwatch with this design ID and with that eSIM support, serious battery life, and of course running Harmony OS. Price and details can be found below. Let me know what you think of these smartwatches and check out this other video here. See you there next.